When cutting PVC pipe, the goal is to get a clean, straight cut. If your cut is at an angle, you limit the amount of surface available to make a strong weld with the solvent cement. There are a few different tools you can use to cut the PVC pipe. Depending on how much room you have to work with, or the diameter of the pipe you're cutting, the method you choose can make all the difference. Whatever tool you use, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment before you begin. The first cutter we'll demonstrate is the basic quick cut style of PVC cutter. This tool has a replaceable blade and is commonly used to cut poly tubing and thin-walled PVC pipe up to 1 1/4 inches in diameter. Its relatively small size makes it useful in tight spaces. To make a cut, place the cutter around the pipe and make sure the base of the cutter is flush with the bottom of the pipe. As you squeeze the handles, rotate the cutter so the blade slices into the pipe. Continue to rotate the cutter back and forth while squeezing until you complete the cut. The most common tool used to cut small to medium diameter PVC, usually up to 2 1/2 inches, is a ratcheting pipe cutter like this one. To use it, you first pull the handles apart from each other. This raises the blade to accept the pipe and resets the ratcheting gear to the first position. Each time you squeeze the handles together, the blade will advance 1 tine on the gear, which slowly advances the blade down into the pipe. As with the quick cut, make sure that the pipe is sitting flush against the curved base of the cutter. The blade is designed to sit at an angle to the pipe so it will slice into it as you ratchet it down. There's no need to rotate the cutter. As long as you're using a sharp blade, the ratcheting PVC cutter will give you a clean, straight cut without leaving behind any burrs to remove. For larger diameter pipe, a PVC saw is usually the tool of choice, although some prefer to use a reciprocating saw to make the job go faster. The wide blade on the PVC saw helps you to make a straight cut. Some have had success using a hose clamp as a guide for the saw blade. When working in a tight, confined space, a cable saw might be the best tool for the job. Just wrap the cable under the PVC and alternate pulling on each end using the friction from the cable to cut through the pipe. Regardless of the cutting tool you use, it's important to remove any burrs left behind. It's also a good idea to bevel the freshly cut edge. This will help keep the solvent cement where it's needed as you push the pipe into the fitting. A tool like these will both deburr and bevel and is available for a variety of pipe sizes. With the exception of the reciprocating saw, all of the PVC cutting tools that we've demonstrated can be found at your local Ewing branch. To find a location near you or to purchase online, visit us at ewingirrigation.com.